May it be lost, my lord. I want to move in urgent motion, my lord, because in spite of the two orders of this court, in violation of both the orders, the Manktara College governing body is going to hold interview today, and I was shown disqualified. Whereas this court held, my lord, I am qualified to be a principal. So, my lord, may I move at 2, my lord? Yes. Filing number I have.
May it please the lawsuit. My lord, with respect to item number 20 orders, my lord. I have my, he has got this relief, my lord.
Yes, lawsuit. On last occasion, lawsuit, directly need to produce the instruction. He has already got a relief. Let me check.
There's no light. I think it's coming now. Yes.
Item number 20, my lord. He has got the relief, so I am not pressing.
20.
20, my lord.
Thank you.
Mr. M.H. Raj Borbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the order of this court has been complied with.
Obliged.
This is the compliance order. The amount has been sanctioned. It was the petitioner got all the amount.
And the order of compliance has been produced before this court, issued by the Director of Secondary Education Department, dated 22/11/2025.
There's a report from the district also, lawsuit.
Stop. Mr. SMT Chisti, learned counsel for the
Respondents lawsuit.
respondent submits that. Also submits that the direction has been complied with. Next, para in view of above, the contempt petition stands closed. Communication dated 22/11/2025, produced before the court, is kept on record. Marked as X file case.
Obliged, your lord.
Obligement.
You keep this in the record.
May I please be allowed?
Yes,
This is item number 24.
24.
Due to some personal difficulty, our engaged counsel is not ready and want to for two weeks time.
For the petitioner,
Yeah, petitions.
who has difficulty?
Personal difficulty by the engaged counsels.
Who is the engaged counsel?
NH Barbuya.
Okay, Mr. NH Barbuya, learned conducting counsel, is said to have some personal difficulty to appear before the court today. Stop on a payment on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Oh, nice.
May I please, my lord, I beg to mention item number 15 of today's list.
15.
Yes, my lord, 15. With the consent of other side, this matter may come after 2 weeks, my lord. Here, my lord, some development is going on, my lord. Even we have prepared the affidavit, my lord.
Hmm?
Some development is going on, so some time.
I am praying for a date, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, at my instance, the matter is listed for today. The notice was issued in the 2024, no affidavit has been filed. So may I pray for a date, my lord, after 2 weeks?
Okay. Mr.
PK Bora, my lord.
PK Bora, learned standing counsel, elementary education, submits that there are certain developments in the matter and therefore he would like to take up-to-date instructions, and for which he prays for 2 weeks' time. Since the prayer is not opposed to, let the matter be listed again also and so on.
Obliged,
Sure.
my lord.
May I please your lordship, my lord? Lordship, with the consent from other side, I beg to mention item number 21, lordship. As my senior is out of station, lordship. Kindly the matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks, lordship.
Who is out of station?
Mr. NNB Chaudhary.
Okay.
If possible, my lord, date.
Mr. NNB Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, is said to be out of station. And an adjournment prayer has been made on his behalf. To stop, since the prayer is not opposed to by the other side.
Maybe possible if date maybe.
Let the matter be again on 11/12.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, lordship. I pray for adjourn this matter for a week, lordship, with the consent of the others, as my respondent is present.
I'm the respondent, my lord.
22, lordship.
for the petitioner,
Yes, lordship.
on the request made by the learned counsel for the petitioners and not objected by the other side, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for listing the pending contempt case, lordship. The other matter is already disposed of, lordship. Can we done Friday, lordship?
No, you approach the registry for that listing. All right,
Lordship,
I'm not allowing any mentioning.
lordship,
You
but
know, very well.
other case I will be challenged, lordship. So.
I know. Please approach the registry. They'll get it listed, okay?
Right.
Yes,
My lord,
next.
my case is that, my lord, the petitioner is already retired, but some area payment, my lord, I pray, my lord. So on any convenient date, if you lordship fees.
Motion,
Not motion for
Then-
admission, my lord.
then you approach the registry.
Not some urgent, that is why, my lord.
Inform the registry that is very urgent to get it listed.
May I please, your lordship, for withdrawal, WPC 2571/2023, for tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yes, your lordship.
Okay, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Obliged.
Mayor, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a repetition 462 for admission.
You approach the registry.
Lordship,
listing.
I already had submitted an application before
Please
registry.
pursue it. Please pursue it. Inform them that I have asked the court also. And court has asked you all to list it. Please inform them. Next.
May please your lordship. With the consent of the other side, I'd like to mention item number 23 in the daily cause list. In this matter, lordship, we need some time. Hence, lordship may kindly take this matter up after 2 weeks.
Petitioner,
Yes, sir.
why do you need time?
We have some difficulty in this matter, taking this matter today. I'll be led by my senior,
Who?
Ms. Khalid Mohammed.
23,
Yes,
but his name is not there.
sir.
D Das and HK Nath are there.
Yes, sir. Mr. Didas will be leading us.
Then why do you say Mr. Mohammed then?
So he has instructed me. He's assisting Mr. Didas.
Okay, Mr. D Das, senior counsel, is it?
Yes.
Mr. D Das, learned senior counsel for the petitioners, is said to have some personal difficulty to conduct the case today on a prayer made on his behalf and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item 26 for motion.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time being.
Passed over.
For admission, item 1.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
My lord, I am appealing for respondent number 7 and 8, my lord, and I have filed a affidavit, my lord, yesterday. Also serve a copy to the petitioner, my lord, today.
My lord, I have received today, so I want to go through and I'd like to file reply also.
which respondent you say?
I am representing respondent number 7 and 8.
7 and 8.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, learned counsel for respondent number 7 and 8 submits that he has filed an affidavit of opposition yesterday. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received a copy and would like some time and prays for some time to go through the affidavit and to file response if so required. To stop. Considering the prayer, let the matter be listed again after 2 weeks. The joinder affidavit, if any, may be filed.
Let it be
Then-
on 18th of December.
Registry to verify and connect the affidavit of opposition said to have been filed by respondent number 7 and 8 to the record.
The authority, my lord, they have not filed any application.
Who is appearing? Mr. Bora?
I'm appealing on behalf of people.
So,
I'll ask my friend to file.
okay, official respondents also to file their counter affidavit by the next date.
Okay.
2 and 3. Kindly pass over the matter for time being. He will appear everywhere.
No, but here also we are supposed to, we are yet to file an affidavit. So B Kosik also he was supposed to, Lordship, may kindly take it up next week, Lordship. We will file the affidavit in the meantime.
Lordship, there is urgency, some urgency. Mr. Airway will appear.
Thank you, sir.
Urgency is there, but they have not filed affidavit.
Yes,
What?
without affidavit, Lordship, affidavit will be required, Lordship. Only a short accommodation next week, Lordship. Thank you, ma'am.
But will you file affidavit by then?
Yes, yes, Lordship. I will ensure that we will file the affidavit.
Although the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is urgency in the matter, Mr. SMT Chisti, appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Kaushik, who represents the department, submits that a week's time may be granted to receive instructions and to file counter affidavit. Accordingly, let the matter be listed on so and so.
Apply.
4 and 5.
Well, after some time, my lord.
Where's Mr. Kaushik?
Posting in court number 18, my lord. The item number 2 is going on.
I'm waiting, yes. I am waiting.
Affidavit filed?
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Affidavit has been filed?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, for information, your lord.
No, there's no affidavit. You have filed additional affidavit
Yes, yes.
and then some communication was submitted before the court,
Yes, lord.
and against that communication, you file one affidavit.
Yes, it is. By
But
stating,
there's no counter
by
affidavit.
stating all the facts, lords.
You're agreeing with everything. I said affidavit file, you said yes. But there's no counter affidavit. Any,
Yes, I am waiting.
are you
Sir.
conducting the case or somebody else?
Lordship.
Who will conduct the case? Who will appear?
No, Mr. Kaushik, I am on behalf of the petitioner, lords.
No, you will appear for the petitioner.
Lords.
Okay, pass it over.
Item number 6 to 11.
Wait, please, my lord. My lord, in item number 6, I am appearing for respondent number 7, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, I pray for some time for filing an affidavit.
In item 6, you are for?
Respondent number 7, my lord.
What is your name?
R. Thadani, my lord.
R.
Thadani, my lord.
Adani. You want some time. How much time?
But 3 weeks.
Why are these matters connected all together?
My lord, if your lordship remembers that time, my lord, your lordship heard it.
I heard it.
Yes. Regarding that Hindi teacher, where I have been treated as an additional teacher because of that, my junior has been given the benefit of language teacher.
And I am that junior, my lord.
You're appearing for the first time.
My lord, in this matter, yes.
I don't know why now at this stage.
The notice was served, my lord. On the last date, somehow the matter was missed by us. Therefore, we should not appear on the last date.
My lord, 2023 matters and long pending, and this ultimately on last occasion, your lordship is fixed it today.
My lord, 2 weeks may be given in that situation. Because I understand they are also in hurry.
Why 2 weeks? Why not 1 week?
My lord, he is suffering from something because otherwise the same is prepared. He could
No,
not-
he's suffering, but he's not going to write the affidavit. You're going to prepare the
My lord, He
affidavit.
has to come down and sign, my lord.
You just have to receive instructions, that's all. Or the client will
My lord,
prepare
in
the
that case-
affidavit.
In that case, if the instruction is only required, my lord, then 1 week will be given.
No, you put it on record
My
by
lord,
way of an affidavit,
my lord,
whatever instructions
my
are.
lord, then 2 weeks, my lord. At least 2 weeks, my lord.
Mr. Abedin, we'll have a fixed date then.
I don't know, Mana, when did he appear, my lord? My lord, would your lordship be pleased to see at least, my lord, when did he appear in this case? When did he appear in this case?
I don't know.
Because possibly the Vakalatnama is there, my lord.
When did you start appearing, Mr. Thadani?
It is like, my lord, they are taking the benefit because they are the juniors, they got the
Just
As
see
far as
the
I'm
color number is
concerned-
dated, Hadani,
Today is the first day, my lord, otherwise, okay,
fifth May. 5th May,
my lord. But appearing for the first time.
June, July, August, September, October, November, 6 months.
Well.
But you are appearing for the first time.
Well.
What way, why didn't you appear for the last 6 months?
My lord, on the last occasion, if your lordship.
Okay, please write. Although Mr. R. Thadani, learned counsel for respondent number 7 in WPC number 6277 of 2023 had submitted his wakalatnama in the month of May 2025. He submits that, not full stop, comma, he submits that he may be given 2 weeks' time to file counter affidavit. Since his client is not keeping well. So having regard to the fact that there was enough time for him to file the counter affidavit since the month of May 2025. And for the ends of justice, 2 weeks' time is granted as a last chance to file counter affidavit. List this matter again on so and so.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
These matters, I said ESE, okay, these matters.
Well, 13 and 14.
My Ramesh Board. More Ramesh Board. My lord. Okay, affidavit is signing.
Yes,
My lord, the matter relates to, my lord, we are praying for equalization of pay, my lord.
okay,
We are the vocational teacher, we are a postgraduate teacher, my lord. And our service was regularized in the year 2012.
okay, you are appearing for all the petitioners,
I'm in item number 12, my lord,
12 only.
2890 of 2024.
Why is it clubbed together with 13
My
and
lord,
14?
the really subject matter is same, identical, my lord. All are vocational teachers, postgraduate teachers, my lord.
Vocational PG teachers.
Item 13, we have filed our affidavit.
So 13 you file affidavit,
Yes, your lordship.
so you are ready. What about 12 and 14?
Not yet, your lordship. We have not filed our affidavit.
So will the item 13 cover the case in 12 and 14 also?
Your lordship, pertaining to that, your lordship, Janaki Kumar Sharma, your lordship, I need to obtain latest instruction, your lordship. Instruction is not here, your lordship. So short date may be given, your lordship.
My lord, may I point out one thing, my lord? In my case, my lord, the finance department has filed an affidavit. It was received on 24 April 2025. If lordship turn to page 129, this is the part of the finance affidavit, my lord, where they have annexed a letter written to the education department, page 129. If they take instruction on this, my lord, may I read, my lord?
Yes.
Page 129, that letter was issued by the undersecretary. This was issued by the Undersecretary of Government of Assam Finance PRO Department to the Secretary, Department of School Education. And it was issued in reference of earlier letters, and in fact, it was a third reminder to them, my lord. With reference to the above, I am directed to inform you that Finance PRO Department had earlier sought certain information from Department of School Education in connection with a proposal for equalization of pay of 158, now 140 numbers of vocational teachers with that of 274 regular vocational teachers. We are amongst the 274 teachers, my lord. As per recommendation of the 7 Pay and Productivity Pay Commission by the endorsement dated so and so. However, Finance PRO Department is yet to receive the required information. It is pertinent to mention here that a writ petition so and so has been filed that similarly placed teachers, my lord.
Okay, so this writ petition is different, isn't it?
This 3521 of 2024.
It is not listed today.
No, my lord. in terms of this letter, my lord, they may have taken instruction, my lord. Because
No.
finance department is ready to pay us to equal pay, my lord.
This writ petition is pending or disposed of?
That we have to check, my lord.
3521. 3521.
Better sabon.
Kim, just find out.
3521 of 2024.
3521 of
Of
2024, whether it's disposed or pending. So this is letter is dated 27th of January.
Yes.
Pending. What is the last order? Ms. Das, what is your instruction on this? You have a copy of this writ petition?
Yes.
Item number 12.
Oh, file 9.
Does. Not issue. I will make it. Delete.
Item 12 to 9 है कितना वाला पड़ता?
More is a construct going. Depending on this.
एक उनसे कितना था instruction वाले रहेंगे.
No, no, no.
I think finance the file for affidavit.
This case,
Yes, ma'am.
WPC 3521. It was listed on 22/10
Yes, ma'am.
this year. And Mr. U Sharma had sought some time to seek instruction on the statements made in paragraph number 5 of the counter affidavit filed by respondent number 3. So 2 weeks time was granted. Maybe it's not listed thereafter.
So let them
So-
take instruction on the basis of this 27 letter, my lord, 27-1 letter of the finance department.
I will reconstruct the file, your lordship, and as soon as.
No, you don't have the file. Why? What happened?
The two cases I have, your lordship, this one.
Change of counsel or something? No.
Yes, your lordship.
You should be having the records. Please write. In WPC number 2890 of 2024, the finance department. No, who's this?
My lord.
Who's the respondent?
Respondent number 3, I think. I'll check.
2, 4, and 5. Who are they?
Two is the Commissioner of Finance. 4 is the Chairman Pay Productivity Commission, and 5 is the Chairman Anomaly Committee. The Finance Department has filed affidavit.
Both the cases, your lordship, we need to file our affidavit, your lordship. Only one cases, your lordship, that is 21/2024. Dilip Kumar Sharma, we have filed our affidavit. Pertaining to item number 13, we have filed our affidavit. The rest, your
What they
lordship.
say? What they say? Has filed their counter affidavit on 25/4/2025. What is the annexure, this one? There's no annexure.
This is letter dated 27/1/2025 at page 129.
No, that is there. I've
And
seen
it-
it. It is not marked as annexure also.
It is D part of D Colley, my lord.
Which collie? D.
D Colley. At page 117, they have stated about this letter. More pistol what I D. It starts from a page 125, there are the earlier communications, man.
Wherein a communication dated 27/1/2025 of the Finance Department, bracket PRU, has been annexed, requesting the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, to resubmit the proposal on the additional financial implication in the event of upgradation of grade pay of the vocational teachers as per the seventh, what is APPC?
Anomaly Pay Productivity Commission, my lord.
Anomaly Pay Productivity
Commission.
Commission.
Assam Pay and Productivity Pay Commission, my lord.
Okay, rewrite
That's
again.
number 4.
Assam Pay
And Productivity Pay
And-
Commission.
and Productivity Pay Commission, bracket respondent number 4. Stop. Now, what about the education department? Did they file affidavit here?
In this matter, my lord, they have not filed any.
They have not filed.
12 and 14 not filed, 13 filed.
Ms. P. Das, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education, appearing for the respondent numbers 1 and 3. Shall obtain instructions in the matter and file an affidavit by the next date. Okay,
Your Lordship, 2 weeks time granted. Your
that's what
Lordship.
we'll give you time, but do file it
Yes, Your Lordship, I will be filing. the-
because even the finance department is giving you reminders. Reminder after reminder they're giving
Yes,
you.
3 reminders have been.
You are supposed to give the proposal, that's
Yes,
all.
Your Lord.
How much money will have to be required
Re-
if the pay is upgraded? That you have to give a proposal. That Uh.
71,69,000.
item 13. Let us see item 13, page number.
Be some revision, my lord.
There is a budget provision is also there only for salaries for the financial year to 2023 to 2024. But in our affidavit, we have taken the stand, Your Lordship, that is page 55, paragraph 6, that a proposal was submitted to the government wide office
Yeah.
later dated so and so, which I already annexed.
So what
as
is that so and so
annexes.
date? Tell me.
Your Lordship, that amount is, Your Lordship.
No, the date of the letter.
Later, Your Lordship, 25th October 2025.
24.
24.
October, But the
2023.
23. That's why the reminder,
Yes, Your Lordship.
the finance department is not satisfied. They're saying you have to give the information, resubmit the information. This was given to you.
Finance also.
This was given to you on 11 November 2024. After that letter, which you just read. So you need to get the up-to-date instruction.
Update instruction.
Mr. Pathak, which one? Page number
Page number, my lord, 62.
62. Is a statement or annexure?
Annexure C
Annexure C
of
is
affidavit.
in item number 13.
Okay, what is the letter date?
25th
25th
October.
October 2023.
The additional financial implication for 23-24, it is indicated as 71,58,000. But then this is not marked to the finance, my lord, this was an internal communication. So this query has to be now, my lord, satisfied with the finance department with up-to-date budgetary provisions.
File করে document affidavit.
Correct.
Okay.
Hmm.
It is ইয়াত already put থৈ দিয়া গৈছে.
Secretary is also collecting the information from the directorate. This is a part of the affidavit filed by the education department.
Respondent number 2,
Two is the,
Director Secondary
DSC,
Education.
Director.
so all these matters, I think you need to get the up-to-date.
এইটো বেছি দিন হোৱা নাই ফাইল কৰা.
Next para, similarly, the Learned Standing Council Secondary Education Department shall also obtain the up-to-date status in respect of WPC numbers 2121 of 2024 and WPC number 4517 of 2024. Stop. In other words, the up-to-date proposal regarding the financial implication in the event of upgradation of pay as per the seventh APPC recommendation as sought for the finance department by the next date. List again on so and so. You want 2 weeks time?
Biplab.
16, 17. If you're best.
Your lordship, my senior is on legs in another court. Your lordship may kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
Lordship, in fact, in this case, Lordship, we have filed our affidavit today.
I'm so
Copy
sorry, my
given.
senior is on legs in another court.
Lordship?
Your lordship.
There was a direction to file affidavit in both the cases.
Okay, so
And in item number 16, we have filed our affidavit today. And in 17, it has been sent for waiting. By tomorrow, we will be filing affidavit. Similar matter,
in which case you're filing tomorrow?
item number 16, we will be filing today.
16 you're filing today,
Yes, Lordship.
then 17?
And 17 by tomorrow. We have already sent for waiting. Perhaps it will be filed by tomorrow. So both the cases illegally appointed teachers and Lordship, in both the cases, all the petitioners has been duly accommodated subsequently in terms of this cabinet memorandum. They have been accommodated as tutors.
Okay, just a minute.
Lordship may fix
After when?
after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Why? You're filing today and tomorrow. Why not day after tomorrow?
Perhaps they will file reply also. That is why Lordship.
That is for them to ask.
Lordship will fix after.
If they want, they'll file. If they don't want, why do we adjourn it just like that?
Lordship. In that case, Lordship may fix next week.
Just a minute. Let me see. What is the last order? What is your affidavit? What does it say?
Our affidavit is they were initially illegally, irregularly appointed teachers.
Okay,
Subsequently, in terms of this cabinet memorandum in 2021, they were screened by the screening committee
okay,
and they were found to be in the list 2.
okay,
List 2 means they had received salary up to a certain period of time, but they did not have the junior basic training. As a result, they have been accommodated as tutors.
okay.
List 1, those whose names appeared in list 1, they were accommodated as teachers because they had a joint.
They belong to list 2.
These petitioners belong to list 2.
And that's what they belong to list 2.
Lords,
And those who are regularly appointed, they are from list 1.
Lords.
So they are accommodated as tutors.
Tutors.
Now,
Both the cases.
okay, in both the cases. Now, as regards the area salary, what about that?
Because Lordship, that the very terms and conditions of the accommodation order, your Lordship.
Are you saying that they are not entitled to salary?
No, Lordship. The area part, they are not.
Area they are not entitled
They are
to.
not.
Because the terms and condition of the accommodation is such.
Lordship.
Okay. That is the dispute to
That
be
is-
resolved,
Lordship, that is.
isn't it?
Lordship.
So you'll be filing your affidavit today
Today, for item number 16,
and 17 tomorrow.
tomorrow.
I'll record that and list it next week.
Lordship.
Mr. P.N. Sharma, Lanet Standing Council, Elementary Education, submits that affidavit in WPC number 3783 of 2024 will be filed during the course of the day.
Lordship.
And the counter affidavit in WPC number 3226 of 2024 will be filed by tomorrow.
Lordship.
Stop considering the said submission. Let the matter be listed. On 412. Okay,
Lord.
412. The department shall file the affidavit as submitted by Mr. P.N. Sharma with a copy to the other side by tomorrow. Liberty is given to the petitioners, is it? To file rejoinder to the same if so advised. 412.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Time being 26.
Motion. Okay.
26. My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner was an eligible candidate and he have filed his candidature for the post of principal. But my lord, despite being eligible, they did not issue any call letter. Being aggrieved, we filed this writ petition. On the last occasion, they made a submission that the interview was cancelled. And the court then thereafter directed them to submit written instruction to that effect. And today morning, I have been given a piece of paper, my lord, where it is written that they have cancelled the interview. Now, since they have cancelled it, my lord, probably this petition has become infructuous.
Please write non-inclusion of the petitioner in the in the process for selection through interview has prompted him to file the instant writ petition. Stop. When the matter was taken up on 12/11/2025 and 14/11/2025, the Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department, Mr. R. Tahibildar was asked to obtain instructions. Stop. Today, Mr. R. Tahibildar, by producing a communication dated 12/11/2025, written by the Secretary to the Vice Chancellor, Guwahati University, to the President of the governing body of Patti Darang College, Kamrup District, rural, submits that the interview schedule has been cancelled. Stop. Considering the above position, it is submitted at the bar that the writ petition has become infructuous. In view of above, writ petitions stands disposed of instructors. Communication dated 12/11/2025 shall be retained in the record and marked as X for identification. You write, Mr. M. Biswas, Learned Counsel, appears for the petitioner, while Mr. A. R. Tahibildar, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education Department, appears for the official respondents. That should be in the beginning part.
My lord, can there be an observation that needless to mention that in case they reschedule it, I have a right to participate?
There'll be a fresh cause of action.
Because my lord, since, my
No,
lord, that is an
no,
innocent
see,
observation.
No. See, we have not determined whether you have the right or not.
Yes, that's.
So, meaning that
Right to participate, if in case if I have, I'm ineligible.
He will file the first application for that, then they will consider if he is eligible. Now that observation may not be.
No, my lord, I'm sucking a very innocuous observation, so that tomorrow it does not create any, because he is an eligible candidate for the post of principal.
according to you, you are
My lord,
eligible.
Yes.
My lord,
According
Fine.
to them, you are
My
not
lord, I am-
included in the list.
yes, my lord,
That
you
is
just-
why.
my lord will just bear with me for some seconds, my lord. What I'm saying, I'm not, I don't want an observation of me being eligible or ineligible. Not that, my lord. So that, my lord, if they reschedule the exam, I have a right to participate.
No
Subject
one-
to my being eligible. Let that be.
Lordship, no one will deprive him, Lordship.
No, my lord, these things are easier said.
Let him
My lord,
file-
they will say something today, again, tomorrow they'll say there is no such observation. He has approached the court. That case was infructuous. Some innocuous observations.
No,
so
no.
that-
I think this will do, Mr. Counsel. I understand what you're saying completely, but it does not deprive you of anything.
Yes, Lordship.
And merely giving that observation will complicate things later on. You apply, and if they don't allow you, then you come.
Yes, Lordship.
All right.
That at least, my lord, so that I have the right to apply afresh, even that, my lord, so that.
Even without observation, you have all the right to apply.
Yes, Lordship, that is I'm saying.
Nothing is curtailed against you. Writ petition came, it just went like that.
My lord,
Nothing like that.
my lord will.
And we don't want to give any extra passing remark like that, which will give a handle or this way or that way.
They initiate something abruptly, they cancel, and then again.
He can participate then again, once again, if it Lordship is happened.
That is what has fallen from him, at least that
No,
may
no,
be,
that-
that may
that
be
may not be
reflected, because it is his submission. I'm not, he has said he has
No
a
one is
right,
debarring him. No one, as he has right, what observation is not required, Lordship.
so that no conflict,
No.
my lord, because at the same time, we'll have to balance between the state and the citizen, my
No,
lord.
Lordship.
Because what he is saying before the court,
I have said what I had to say, but that's it. That's it. Okay. Next case, please.
For admission, item 18.
In this matter, my lord, some time is required, my lord. Instruction is awaiting.
Instructions awaited.
Yes, my lord.
But everything is on record, my lord.
So sometime may be granted, my lord.
Here's a select list, my lord.
What is the matter?
My lord, in 2014, my lord,
Hmm.
an advertisement was issued. Then these petitioners, my lord, participated. And 2014, my lord, select list was prepared. In the select list, my lord, our name was also there. Our appointment was stopped. And other candidates were appointed. Then we approached this all court. This all court directed to appoint us in an interim measure. Our appointment was not made. Finally, my lord, we have been given appointment, my lord, in 2016. So we are praying for service benefit of that period, my lord. Seniority as well as other benefits.
Anyway, let him obtain instructions. We'll give him a short date. Mr. U Sharma. You make an endeavor to file your affidavit within 2 weeks. Mr. U Sharma, Lanad Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, submits that since he has not received instructions till date, he prays that he may be given further 2 weeks' time to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit. So it is seen that several opportunities have been granted earlier also. And therefore, time prayed for is granted with understanding that the affidavit in opposition will be filed by the next date. List again on so and.
My lord, failing which, my lord, the writ petition will dispose of, my lord, endeavor to be made, my lord.
That much observation is okay enough. We'll see.
Item 90.
Lordship, kindly peruse the last order of this honorable court.
Petitioner is a lady, isn't it? Sushila.
My lord. Second pay elementary. Affidavit দিয়ে না, affidavit তো দিব লাগিছিল, এটা বস্তু করে দিব লাগিছিল। Last date of my lord, as per rule, provision, from the date of application, she is entitled. If your lordship kindly come to the
No, just a
relevant
minute, just a minute,
rules.
just a minute.
It will लिखा नहीं for case number, WPC number. WPC number one. WPC number one.
1566.
Public. 1566. 20.
20.
Or 25 not in case.
If your lordship kindly come to
Date of application is 8/10/19.
8/10/2019.
So from that day you're claiming.
Yes.
So what
now-
is the instruction? Who is appearing?
Yes, Lord, I am appearing. I have received an instruction, Lordship. I couldn't get a printed copy, Lordship. Here that the DEO Sunitpur, Lordship, has forwarded the family pension proposal to the Director of Pension by this letter dated so and so on 29/11/1919. Thereafter, the Director of Pension finalized the family pension by PPO number so and so. It is my instruction is that the PPO has already been issued, Lordship.
Yes,
When?
yes, that is a.
8/5/2025.
8/5/25.
Yes, 8/8/2025. 8 August 2025, Lordship.
8/8/25.
Yes,
PPO.
PPO. and it was sent to the Treasury Officer Lordship on 8/8/2025.
TO on,
Lordship, that instruction, your lordship.
sent to the treasury officer on which date?
8/8/25, your lordship, it has been handed.
My lord, that is not in dispute. I am getting pension from 27/6/2025.
Hmm.
Only issue remain is that from the date of application, she is entitled.
That's what I'm saying,
Yes,
date of application.
presently she is getting only area pension.
আমার area pension পাবো লাগে। কিমানৰ পৰা?
8/10/2019.
8/10/25.
Name is from 8/10/2019. That is the date of application.
Yes.
Yes,
But as of today, she is getting pension. There's no dispute.
not this.
She wants it from the date of application,
In fact-
8/10/19.
In fact, my instruction said that the DEO Sunitpur has sent the proposal to the Director of Pension on 29/11/2019 itself. But the pension department, they have released it from that date, lordship.
Pension department has issued from,
From 8/8/25.
27/6/25.
Yes.
We have sent the proposal on 19 itself, lordship, from the department.
No, 60 there. Only এই মজুরি application দিয়েছে, এটা আনিব দিছিল। এটা last date রিলিজ করেছে। এতে হেতু
এটা place করেছে।
এফিডেভিট তো দিব দিছে। অলরেডি কোর্টের অর্ডারত রিফ্লেক্ট করা আছে।
এইটো এফিডেভিট নো কি? এইটো আপোনাৰ এই
ইয়ে আছিল যে এই আপনার এটি আছে
হ্যাঁ?
অলরেডি অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটো পাইছে
হুম।
খালি এটার উপর এফিডেভিটটা দিব দিছে মোর অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ছিল 8/10/2019 ডেলি লাস্ট অর্ডারত
কথাটো হৈছে তাহাঁতে প্ৰপ'জেলটো আমাক তেতিয়াৰ পৰা যদি পঠাইছে,
কত নাই এটাকে
পঠোৱা নাই।
নাই
সিহঁতৰ অলপ কৰিবলগীয়া আছে। ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট অলপ কৰিবলগীয়া আছে। সেইটোৱে কথা। এইটো কৰক, এইটো কওক আকৌ।
অলরেডি লাস্ট অর্ডারত কোর্টে রিফ্লেক্ট করা আছে
আপোনাৰ এইটো মিডিয়েশ্যনত গৈছিলে নেকি?
না এটা যাও
this is the instruction you have received.
Yes, yes, ভুলতে এইটো দিয়ক। দেখক।
But-
আপোনাৰ কেই নম্বৰ পেজত আছে? 3 নম্বৰ পেজত আছে এপ্লিকেশ্যনটো। এপ্লিকেশ্যনটো কেই নম্বৰ পেজত আছে?
এফিডেভিট দিব দিছে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন মই দিয়ে নাই
লৰ্ডশ্বিপ?
Mr. Diori,
Yes, sir, lordship.
your instruction says, okay, from 27/6/2025 up
Yeah.
to 28/10/2026.
Yes, your lordship.
The rate of pension will be 12,000 something.
Yes.
Then after October 26, the rate of pension will be 7,000 so and so. Fine, this is okay. But what the petitioner wants is that she should be given the pension from 8/10/2019.
8/10/2025.
Why? Because that is the date on which she gave our application.
Yes, your lordship.
So what is your instruction on that?
Lordship, to that effect, the proposal needs to go from the department, your lordship, but still then.
Proposal went on 29/11 according to them.
Yes, your lordship. এইটো proposal টো আছে কপি?
নাই নাই
কপিটো আছে?
নাই এটা 60 টা দিয়েছে
Lordship,
24/11 তিনি রিজাল্ট হবে
এইটো আমাকতো দিয়া নাই না। আমাকতো দিব লাগিব। Where is the letter to us? আমাকতো নাই।
This copy should be given to Mr. Diori, I think. You have given?
That provided family pension. Lordship, let me have the instruction upon this. A short day may be fixed.
Sure.
Yes. মই এইটো লৈ লওঁ।
Heard, Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Counsel. I'm sorry, Mr. M. Khan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. B. Diori for the
Respondent number 2 and 6.
Director of Pensions. Mr. B. Sharma for AG Assam. Ms. R.M. Barua for the Finance Department and Mr. S.N.T. Chisti for the Elementary Education Department. Next para. Claim of the petitioner is The family pension on being an unmarried daughter of the pensioner with effect from the date of our application, that is 8/10/2019. Stop. It is not in dispute that the petitioner is receiving the current pension as per the admissible rate, but not from 8/10/2019. Now, Mr. B. Dury, learned counsel for the Directorate of Pensions, submits that before that, you write, cancel that, Mr. B. Dury. You write, Mr. SMT Chisti, learned counsel for the Elementary Education Department, submits that the petitioner applied for family pension on 8/10/2019, which was received by the office of the District Elementary Education Officer, Sonitpur. And the said authority forwarded the family pension proposal to the Director of Pensions on 29/11/2019. Stop. Thereafter, the Director of Pension finalized the family pension on 8/8/2025. Stop. The instructions received by Mr. B. Dury, learned Standing Counsel, Director of Pensions, Directorate of Pensions, is also to the effect that the family pension admissible to the petitioner has been fixed with effect from 27/6/2025 to 28/10/2026 at the rate of 12560. And thereafter, at the rate of rupees 7690. Stop. The said instruction is, however, silent with regard to the claim of the petitioner for payment of pension with effect from 8/10/2019. Stop. Mr. B. Dury, learned counsel, submits that he may be given some time to obtain instructions in this regard. In view of above, please this matter again. 2 weeks?
Yes.
On so and so. 9/12.
Writing 4 and 5.
May please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Well, let this matter will come up on 4th, my lord. In the meanwhile, I'll bring my instruction on affidavit.
You are supposed to get some instructions.
My lord, I have already received the instruction, my lord,
Then,
but I'd like to bring it on record, my lord, by way of my affidavit.
all right. Mr. B. Kaushik, learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, submits that he has received instructions and prays for a week's time to bring the same on record by way of an affidavit. Prayers allowed. List on 4th of. Okay, 4th. 4/12.
Grateful, my lord.
For hearing item 25.
What about the list? Elementary education. Where's Mr. Chisti? Elementary education. Who will appear in this case?
25 item. Sub-25 item complete.
But can it be some other, like, miss this item? 25. Hearing. Hearing. Get rid of. All of us there. All over there. All of them, huh? You want to show them. You get the logo, very nice. It will pass over. I think the only.
Kaushik, you are also there.
Hello, yes.
You had appeared last time
Yes.
on the date of motion, I think. You're not ready.
But I'm not ready today. Lordship will kindly accommodate today.
Lordship, instruction also not received, my lord, as per order dated 2024, my lord. 2024, my lord. What I did.
Yes, instruction is that Mr. B. Kaushik shall take instructions as to why the respondents did not consider the betterment marks. What do you mean by betterment marks? Obtained by the petitioner from NIOS.
But here perhaps not.
NIOS, what is NIOS?
National Institute of Open School.
Open schooling, my lord.
So this, in this advertisement, one issue was dropped down, that the candidates, they have opted for betterment of a subject several times. And now, there was a scheme in the NIOS where that scheme does not support that. But I think, that affidavit, we have addressed that issue.
No, what is that scheme? NIOS, betterment marks.
Yes.
Supposing you get less marks,
Less marks.
you can appear again.
Appear again.
So that you can upgrade your
Upgrade.
marks.
But that has to be only once. But there are candidates who have opted for betterment twice or thrice.
So in the present case, what is the case? Once or twice?
Your lordship.
Their stand is different in affidavit, my lord. Affidavit para 3, my lord. May I kindly see, my lord. That the deponent denies the correctness of the statement made in paragraph 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 of the writ petition, which are contrary to and inconsistent with the record of the instant case. The deponent begs to state that as per the report received from the technical support for recruitment process, it is evident that the petitioner has tried to mislead the honorable court by stating that he has submitted or uploaded the original mark sheet of HSSLC and AHSEC, Assam Higher Secondary Education Council, which he has annexed as Annex 2 to the writ petition. Since the same has not been submitted by him along with his online application, apart from that, the petitioner has uploaded submitted 2 set of mark sheets of a certificate issued by 2 different authorities, that is AHSEC and NIOS, my lord. After that, my lord, this instruction was called, my lord. They admitted that I uploaded 2 betterment certificate, my lord. That after that, my lord.
All right, so Mr. Kaushik, you update instructions. Next week?
Next week.
All right, Mr. B. Kaushik Lanet, Standing Counsel, Limited, prays for further 1 week time to obtain instructions. In terms of the last court's order dated
2011.
2011,
2024.
2024. That is IE, continue, huh? The reason as to why the respondents did not consider the betterment marks obtained by the petitioner from NIOS. List again on so.
Most of that.
What?
My lord. Your lordship will sit again.
Production list item 1.
My lord, here is the fourth round of litigation, my lord. Regarding this petitioner, whatever my lord, he duly qualified to be principal of a college. As per the UGC norms, all qualification he has. Earlier also he had applied for Parmatas Barua College in Dhuburi, Gauripur. There the college management committee, in spite of qualification, highest API marks of 242 granted by the university. He was said not qualified. Then we approached this court. And this court, my lord, I am taking a lawsuit directly to the order of this court,
Page,
page 115, my lord. In WBC number 4690/2020.
115.
Is 115, my lord. Order dated 22/2/2022, passed by this honorable court.
This is the first round. Page 115 is the
Yes,
first
this is the
round.
first round.
First round.
115, my lord. Then that was challenged. When they said in Gauripur College, I was held to be not qualified. Then we challenged in long order, quoting all the provisions of law, including the UGC norms. This court came to the conclusion, my lord, that he is qualified and he was asked to appear. A college asked to take his interview. Ignorantly he appeared. That you will also find.
No, let us see the order first, the operative portion.
Yes. Well, page 126 you will also find. Paragraph 19 of the judgment.
126.
Page 19, ultimate paragraph, my lord.
Please read.
Yes. Upon considering the matter in its entirety, as indicated above, we therefore, with the communication of the academic register of the Guwahati University, dated 2/11/2020, whereby only 4 of the applicants for the post of principal of Parmatas Barua College, Gauripur, were recommended for appearing before the selection committee, and while doing so, the candidature of the writ petitioner, there is this present petitioner, Dr. Muhammad Amin Hassan was elected. As concluded above, the authorities in the Guwahati University, upon the necessary assessment of the API score, may transmit the same to the selection committee constituted for the purpose of selection of the principal of the Parmatas College, and the selection committee may take note of such API evaluation, may proceed further with the selection and bring it to its logical conclusion. In doing so, the selection committee shall take on board all the 5 applicants, including me, and make their own individual assessment on merit for selection of candidates. So I was held to be qualified, and detailed discussion of the UGC norms and regulations. I was found to be eligible, and I was asked to appear before the interview in the Parmatas College.
What is this API score?
API is
Performance indicator.
academic performance indicator.
Indicator.
That is the must, my lord. Whosoever gets the highest, he is considered to be better. Then, my lord,
So that API was supposed to be, was directed to be re-evaluated
yes, and it was found to
and
be,
sent to the selection committee.
yes.
And all the 5 candidates should be considered.
Yes. My lord, the API score is evaluated by the Guwahati University Council. And they having done so, I was found to be the highest, 242. This is highest.
No, earlier, before filing this writ petition, your API score was less.
Yes, that was there.
That is why you challenged.
Yes, in spite of that, they rejected my candidature. Then we approached this court.
No, your API score was less.
No.
Then why that exercise to
Same
transmit
was
the
there.
API?
In spite of that, my lord, they rejected mine. Illegally, they rejected. Then we.
Your APS score was high from before, but it was rejected.
Yes, same 242 throughout.
No, what was the reason for rejection of your candidate?
Nothing, simply said, no, he's not qualified. Yes. And it is the regulation also, I have annexed my note at page 36. According to that, I am qualified. That's why this code having discussed in detail, UGC regulation, the government of Assam rules, regulation, everything. Then found that I was eligible.
So that is a, see here in the judgment itself, it says,
Yes.
5 applications were forwarded to the Guwahati University
Yes.
for determining API score.
Yes.
And in response thereof, the Guwahati University has found that 4 of the candidates have the requisite API score
Yes.
and were cleared to be eligible for appearing before the selection committee.
Yes.
And in doing so, petitioner was left out.
Yes.
So now ultimately court says that Guwahati University should again
Yes.
forward the API score
Yes.
and to the selection committee, and all the 5 candidates should be considered.
Yes.
Okay, then after this, what happened?
Then my lord, that post was, I was not selected, then I applied for in another college, Mankasa College, na present college.
Okay, this is a different college.
This is different one. This is
The,
earlier.
the earlier one was a different college.
Yes, now Mankasa is different. Just across the river.
Earlier it was
PD,
Pramathesh Barwa College,
Gauripur.
Gauripur.
It was, now it is Mankasa College.
Now it's,
Yes,
now it is which place?
yes. Mankasa,
Mankacha.
yes. My
So-
API score was found to be by regarding 242.1. Then I applied in the Mankasa College. Here also, my lord, by impugn, what was impugn? Page 114, again I was rejected,
Page?
114.
On what ground? Were you rejected?
Simply, they have not sent it to me, but they have circulated in the website, my lord, notice. As per the recommendation of the screening committee, government city, to scrutinize the application for the post of principal Mankasa College, Mankasa, pursuant to the advertisement dated 29/5, 2025. The list of candidates recommended and not recommended for interview by said committee are as follows. Candidates recommended for interview, Dr. Ibrahim Ali Mandal, and not recommended, yes, Dr. Amin Hassan.
How many candidates applied?
Here
Only
only
two.
two. Remarks does not fulfill the eligibility criteria as per UGC guidance. Even manner, a single candidate is no candidate manner. There should be multiple, at least 2, 3, 4, 5 candidates. Then only selection is meaningful. Otherwise, he will be only one person is selected. So this is also illegal in a sense. So today in the afternoon, they are going to hold the interview. Manner, so you, yes. 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 Earlier High Court held, as per the UGC norms, I am qualified. I have all the qualification. I am also the PhD supervisor. I guide the PhD candidates, my lord. Interview today afternoon. From 2, I think, no? Yes. No, nothing. I was not issued at all. Only one candidate they have issued. No, I got the information. Yes, 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 sure. Just a minute. Just a minute. There is, my lord, there is. My lord, paragraph 21.
Page 22.
They have not commented anything to me, my lord. Only that was circulated in the website. Yes, yes, that's right. Only one can. Today. Because here I have written, no, 21. Yes. Yeah, there is my information, my lord, instruction. Political party and thereby has been debarred from appearing in the interview, which is going to be held very soon, probably on 25/11/2025. Yes, today. So any date, but today, tomorrow, anybody. Because it is totally illegally, this imperial order was passed, not qualified. There is no time frame. Everybody- Yes. 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 7 years. Your time is one, just a minute, time frame. 104. The selection committee of the college. Of the college. It's a selection committee party.
Headed by the Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University. Headed by the Vice Chancellor of Guwahati University.
Yes.
He's immediate at the party.
Yes. Actually, as per the rules, matter, the selection committee is by the college, and they will, after selection, send the matter for approval to the director, and the director will approve, then only appointment will follow. No date is, no schedule is prescribed in the advertisement, madam. Formalized. Formalized means government bears all the expenditure. Education, higher education is. Selection committee, yes. Vice Chancellor. Yes, yes. In the committee, they keep about 15% from different experts. Then my little college, the governing body chairman. Other members on list is 9. Yes. Governing body constitutes the minor. Selection committee then forwards to the university, and university will nominate the vice chancellor. Yes. We made the party minor in the age, it was in the improved notification notice. One on. Yes. Asian governing body, Mankazar College. My lord, and now this impugn order should be stayed. That's all. My lord? Yes. No, interview or provisionally, my lord, subject to outcome of the repetition, they may take my interview, and if the matter may fixed after a month, if I find him to be eligible by this court, then I will
No, but at the same time, you're not sure the time of the interview. You said today or tomorrow. So-
any day, man, today, tomorrow, day after,
so
whenever it
that's
is.
what we don't know, na?
But my mainly I am concerned matter with rejection because
Interview may have been held to this morning also. We don't know. It must have been held yesterday also. May have been held yesterday. Because you're not
no,
showing me any.
yesterday there was no interview.
You're not
We are-
showing me any definite notification saying that interview is scheduled on this date, at this time, at this place.
So far, they wanted to circulate everything through the website. In the website, there is no such circulation. Only this one we found. That was also accidentally before yesterday.
No, see, with these facts, how do we proceed? That's the thing. We may issue notice. I may say that subject to outcome. All those things can be there. But things are not definite.
And one more in one more repression, my lord. 107. The order of this court, my lord, there was advertisement. This court passed the order, my lord.
What is 107?
There is another repression.
Filed by the present writ petitioner.
Yes, yes.
For this, he didn't tell me. This is for which college?
Same college, Mankazar.
What happened to this case?
There is-
What was your grievance?
Grievance was, we had challenged the advertisement, my lord, without considering my candidature.
Which
Then we-
advertisement? Which advertisement did you challenge?
My lord, you will also kindly come to page 108.
This is for Mankachar only.
Yes. Here, my lord, one Ajibur Rahman was selected. He died. He could not join, my lord. Then, my lord, Lord, so we can see.
See, thing is that this case is also connected to one WPC 5045 of 2024.
Yes.
Where is that case and what has happened to that case?
Now, this case is ultimately dismissed, my lord. But
Which one is dismissed?
for the 5045 is pending. That is pending with this court. And in this case, 107, Justice made this order, my lord. You will also kindly come to last paragraph, page 110.
No, I have to read this properly from paragraph 3. Advertisement dated 21/2/2021.
Yes.
This is not the present advertisement, it's a different one.
This was a different one. There was a challenge, my lord, in this reputation. One. 29/5/2025. For the said post, in his earlier incumbent of Dr. Jibur Rahman had passed away. Am I?
Just a minute, I'll read myself. During the pendency of the said case, present advertisement has been published. Passed away. Persons. This is. Okay. No. Ajibur Rahman. 5045. Five zero four five. What about 5045?
This is pending, my lord.
This is by you only.
Yes. It is
What
pending.
is, what is the relief you're claiming in that?
In that, my lord, we are challenging the appointment of Dr. Ajibur Rahman, who ultimately died, my lord. After selection, he,
No, if it's expired, then it becomes infructuous.
yes, that's why this second advisement issued. Our claim was, since I was the second in the selection list, I should be appointed. But the FRBM Act, section 7(1) says, my lord, there will be only one selection offer against one post. There is no waiting list.
So 5045 writ petition is disposed of.
No,
Still
no,
pending.
pending. Your lordship kindly see.
Okay, it's still pending, all right.
Yes. And
So
my
now they have issued a fresh advertisement.
yes,
And in the fresh advertisement, they have shortlisted the candidates
yes,
to one candidate.
yes,
You have been rejected, but one Dr. Ibrahim Ali
Yes.
Mondal has been
yes.
shortlisted as
And
the
as a lordship,
candidate.
my lord, read the 110 page, 110, my lord, paragraph
Now I understand,
14.
yes.
Paragraph 14,
Paragraph 14,
paragraph 14 of page 110.
page,
114, 110, 110. Where we order your lordship is reading now.
Yes, I've read.
Last sentence, one.
I've read without prejudice.
Yes.
That's all.
The same would be without prejudice to his right espoused in the resolution. It is also provided that no final decision for appointment be taken in the new recruitment process without taking leave of the court. They have taken the leave of the court. They could not proceed. There was a embargo by this order. How the already there was my embargo. But there was no question of taking the interview of one person or two person. Clear case.
Yes, who's appearing? Mr. Das, have you seen this order? 110.
Yes, my lord. My lord, 110 is what I have understood, my lord. Initially, yes. Initially, it was the claim of the petitioner that since the earlier incumbent Ajibur Rahman has retired or left, died, my lord.
He expired,
He expired.
but the
The
writ petition
petitioner
still.
wanted a direction to place his name in his
Correct.
place, my lord. Then, my lord, this court has directed that since, my lord, there is no process for a waiting list candidate to be selected, my lord.
No, that we know. You
Yes,
just tell me one thing. Leave the last line.
Yes, my lord.
It is also provided no final decision for appointment to be taken in the new recruitment process without leave of this court. New recruitment process means as per the advertisement dated 29 May 2025.
Yes, my lord.
Now, now there is a shortlisting of candidate here. That is 15/11/2025.
Here, kindly see the above line. Above line, it is accordingly provided that while the petitioner would be at liberty to submit his candidature in the present recruitment process, while advertisement was to ensure the same would be without prejudice to his right espoused in so and so. Here, my lord,
Then,
regarding his eligibility, it is not decided, I think, my lord.
Huh?
Regarding the eligibility, my lord, whether he is eligible to participate in the interview process, my lord.
what?
My lord, it doesn't say that he is entitled to sit in the interview, my lord.
Okay,
It
he's
is
not,
only for the
Then they should be communicated to me.
whether or not he's eligible or not, you may decide, but you cannot take a decision for appointment if this order stands.
Yes, if he is otherwise eligible and sit in the interview, my lord, in my humble submission, my lord, if the petitioner.
No, Mr.
Also-
Das, you should don't complicate things. My question is very straightforward.
Yes, sir.
Court says that don't take final decision.
Yes, my
But
lord.
today you are discarding the petitioner, saying that you cannot participate. You don't qualify as per the UGC norms, and you've taken one candidate.
No.
And you're holding interview.
If he is otherwise not,
Can you take that decision when this order is still alive?
my lord, in my humble understanding, if the petitioner is otherwise not eligible, then this order will not come because this order will come if the petitioner is eligible and he is contesting with other candidate, and the result should not be published without the leave of the court. If he is otherwise not eligible to sit in the interview, then this order will not come.
Then there should be communicated to me the ground for rejection. Nothing was done. And this court held that he was qualified in Dhubri College, Boripur College. Now they say not qualified. Give the ground for not
Regarding
qualifying.
the recommendation, the university, the scrutiny committee of the university actually recommended the candidates to be called for the interview, and accordingly, the selection committee of the college called the.
No, see, it doesn't work like that. See, you have an understanding. That understanding may not be the correct position. Because it says no final decision for appointment be taken in the recruitment process. You are saying that now, since the petitioner has been ousted in the
Yes,
scrutiny of documents or whatever,
yes, ma'am.
now he doesn't have that thing. He cannot be protected by this order.
Yes, yes.
Now the university can go ahead with their process. That is what your understanding is. But that may not be the correct position. It says no final decision for appointment be taken in the recruitment process without taking leave of this court. Now, it doesn't say that final decision can be taken if petitioner is ousted. It doesn't say that. So we cannot read things into this order. Rightly or wrongly, whatever order was passed, it has been passed. So you are supposed to take leave from the court. We want to final the selection process. Petitioner is there, he is not qualified because as per UGC norms, he does not have the eligibility criteria.
Regarding
My-
final decision, Malad, the department is yet to take a final call because the interview as Malad, the submission by the petitioner and interview is yet not been held. The final result will.
So
come-
we'll issue notice and we will say that you will not take any final decision
Yes.
in terms of this order. This is not a fresh order. The order is already there.
Yes.
Sir.
But Mr.
That aspect, my lord, page
What?
110, my lord.
Just a minute. My lord, one more thing may I point out. Same college found me in second position, in the last interview, but for the death of the person who was selected number one. So same college found me eligible and took my interview and selected in the second position. Now they say not qualified. What is this?
Correct.
Very peculiar situation.
Yes,
My lord, the last sentence, my lord. Page 110. my lord.
yes, 110 is before me.
It is also provided that no final decision for appointment.
Ah.
It is regarding appointment process, my lord, not
Correct.
selection process, my lord.
Correct.
So
See, you may also try
in the
to,
midst of selection process.
you may
But
try to.
appointment process, my lord, is not completed, my lord. So at the
So don't
stage of
complete that.
appointment, so
Don't complete.
notice may be issued at this stage, my lord.
We'll issue notice definitely.
And,
Don't
he
complete
has
the process.
already been protected, my lord, by this line, my lord.
Hmm.
No final decision for appointment be taken in the new recruitment process without taking leave of this court. So appointment process is not completed, my lord. It's just selection process, my lord. It's in the midst of the selection process.
Okay, all right. But Mr. R.P. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. I. Hassan, for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner is aggrieved with the notice dated 15/11/2025, bracket annexure 20, issued by the President, Governing Body, Mankachar College, Mankachar, wherein the petitioner's candidature, no, wherein the petitioner has not been recommended to face the interview on the ground that he does not fulfill the eligibility criteria as per the UGC guidelines. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that in the earlier round of advertisement for the post of principal of Mankachal College, the petitioner had participated in the selection process, and despite having adequate merit, what is his name? One Dr. Azibur Rahman
Yes.
was instead selected,
And I was placed at 2.
and the petitioner was placed at the second position. Stop. Aggrieved, the petitioner filed WPC number 5045 of 2024, which is still pending as on date. Stop. However, Dr. Azibur Rahman has expired, and therefore the college authorities have resorted to issuing of fresh advertisement on a local daily dated 29/5/2025, bracket annexus 17. So the petitioner again applied for the responded to the advertisement, but by the impugn notice dated 15/11/2025, his candidature for interview has not been accepted. Stop. Mr. R.P. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, submits that when the petitioner was found eligible to participate in the earlier round of advertisement, it is surprising to know that in the second round of advertisement, he has been found to be not qualified. And therefore, the impugn notice dated 15/11/2025 should be set aside, and the petitioner allowed to participate in the interview process, which is scheduled to be held. Very shortly. Next para. The Learned Senior Counsel further submits that this WPC 3018, this is not disposed, isn't it? Pending. What is the challenge here? Learned Senior Counsel further submits that the writ petitioner has also challenged the fresh advertisement dated 29/5/2025 by filing WPC number 3018 of 2025. And the same is pending consideration as on today. Stop. This court, white order dated 2/6/2025, had directed that the petitioner may submit his candidature in the recruitment process initiated through advertisement dated 29/5/2025, but without prejudice to his right in WPC number 5045 of 2024. Post of this court also further provided that no final decision for appointment should be taken in the new recruitment process without taking leave of the court. Stop. He therefore submits that the respondent authorities could not have proceeded to reject the candidature of the petitioner through the impugned notice dated 15/11/2025. Next para, in view of above, let notice of motion be issued. Returnable by. When is this case to be listed? The other case?
Date has not been fixed, my yet. Date has not fixed.
Returnable by 2 weeks. Short date, 2 weeks. Mr. S. Das, Learned Standing Council. Higher Education accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 2. Mr. P.J. Fugan, Learned Standing Council, Guwahati University,
5 and 6.
accept notice on behalf of respondents 5 and 6. And Miss K. Ward Pujari, Learned Council, accept notice on behalf of Mr. A. Shamua, Standing Council, UGC, who will represent respondent number 3. Then who remains now?
4 and 7. 4 is the governing body and 7 private as per.
How will you take steps?
This will go, my lord.
Dusty?
7 will go by rest of post.
6, 5, 4 can be Dusty? Or what?
Yes, that's it. 4 can be Dusty. 4 can be Dusty.
Petitioner to take, to serve notice to respondent number 4 by way of Dusty to the registry of this court within 10 days and thereafter submit an affidavit as proof of service.
And for 7 is concerned, it will go by rest of post.
Stop. In respect of respondent number 7, notice be served through registered post with AD. Steps within 3 days. This is the matter again on 10/12/2025.
Miller, earlier WPC Miller, both may be tagged together.
Yes, yes.
Along with WPC number,
3018.
3018.
just a minute, 3018 of 2025 and WPC number 5045 of 2024.
Yes.
It is once again provided herein that the respondent authorities shall not finalize the selection process initiated through the advertisement dated 29/5/2025 without leave of this court. All right.
The selection process. It's not,
Don't we get confused? Selection process. recruitment process.
Same thing, with selection process goes, appointment.
Best thing you see, on the next date, if you can at least file some affidavit or come up with complete instructions.
Selection
Board may
process-
consider also disposing it of.
Selection process is completed by the selection committee, but appointment process is completed by the director of higher education.
Once the selection is gone, the
So,
appointment. will
two
follow.
different processes, and in earlier round of litigation, my lord, it's regarding appointment process, my lord.
Appointment comes through selection only.
So that.
You are
order
very
is
right,
little
Mr.
bit
Pugad.
Diluted, my lord.
You are very right. I also understand that. But the thing is that one tries to get confused, selection process, recruitment process. And you'll say that the ultimately recommendation will have to be approved by somebody. Once approved, somebody has to issue the appointment order. So all these steps are there, but
Yeah.
ultimately it
But
boils down
my
to the.
Arnett senior friend is happy, my lord, since the earlier order is a little bit diluted, my lord. From appointment, now selection, my lord. So I think, my lord, the outcome of this writ petition, my lord, it would be regarding that appointment process.
Totally violation, I did with contempt, they have committed.
Anyway, we'll consider those aspects.
Middle.
You'll get instructions.
My lord.
If you can file affidavit, it'll be very good, so that we can take a call this way or that way. All right.
My lord. It's an interim measure, my lord, so my lord.
Interim
measure. Interim measure, my lord.
Yes,
So, my lord, we agreed, my lord.